Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to answer the question how you can easily fix the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different when they are different on the OPPO Enco X3i. There are three options you can do. At first you have to install the application, and to know how to do it, check our channel because we have a video for it, and update its software version to the latest version, because there might be some fix. If it didn't help you, restore the earbuds to the factory settings and reconnect them. We have a video for it, so you can check our channel. If the problem still occurs, you have to fully charge the earbuds, wear them for a while, and check whether the battery levels are the same. If the battery levels still differ significantly, take your device and proof of purchase to an authorized customer service center for assistance, and just contact the device support. We have the videos of these tips on our channel, so you can watch them. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.